Okay, this is for my fellow rocketry forum nerd friends here. I didn't know how to explain this in words, so I'm just going to show you in the video here. Okay, this is the back section of the motor assembly. I mounted 3 through body fins. I've got a 38mm motor mount in here. I used a removable screw to attach the shock cord to the rear section in case the shock cord gets melted or I want to replace it or whatever. This is the front end of the assembly, of the motor assembly. You've already seen photos of that. So essentially you tuck your chute in here with your chute protector, you stuff the cord back in, connect it up. It's not going to be glued because this part has to separate. What's going to happen is when it's inside the rocket body, the charge is going to blow and these fins will guide this rear assembly out through the body when the charge blows. So there's that. I mounted the shock cord anchor in the front here. There's a little disc. You'll see a photo on the post as well. And then this cone pops on the front like that. Okay. So there's your, hey, move. So there's your motor assembly, your removable motor assembly. So we'll get the body. Here's the first piece of the body, and it's got a coupler glued into this half of the body. So we're going to take the motor assembly and just insert it through that. Oh crap. This is really easy. A real basic design. I want to keep it really simple. The reason I have the removable motor assembly is because I want to go for my level 2 with this, but then when I'm done I want to be able to fly it on multiple motors. So this motor will be removable. I'll have side fairings, but I'll cover that later. So anyway, you just insert it, slides right in, and you'll hear it stop on the coupler here, right there. So the coupler on this body frame, or this airframe, acts as a thrust ring for the removable motor. Now, to keep the motor assembly from falling out that way, I'm going to put set screws through the body here into the coupler to just to keep it stable. So anyway, that's what it looks like from the front. That's what it looks like from the back. And then you're going to take the other half of the body, another section, and that just slips over the coupler. I'm not going to glue it because I want to be able to fit it in my car when I transport it. So finally, this is the very last piece. This goes at the top of the rocket. It doesn't have a nose cone. It's just going to be flat, just like that. I was thinking about doing a 45-degree angle, but this stuff's really hard to cut. I'm sweating to death. It's 120 degrees in this garage. I'm not kidding. So this is going to be the top piece, and that's about it. I hope that makes sense. Thanks.